Hey guys, Tate with USA Standard Gear. Now a question that is often asked of us is how do I make sure that I install my USA Standard driveline correctly? It's really very simple. Just pay attention to how you take it apart. These things might show up a little bit different than the one that you took out. So you might have a flanged end where a yoke was originally available, but don't worry about that because these ends are usually keyed, or you have a flange or a hydraulic end that you can't screw up. In the rare occasion that you have U-joints on both ends that are exposed, just pay attention to which side of the driveline is moving, or the slip yoke end. Reinstall it the same way you took it out and you can't go wrong. Now there's 4 different ways of doing this, and it's from flange to flange, center to center, weld to weld, and flange to center. For each one of the drive shafts, the method of measurement is listed in the parts description. Let me show you the differences. So here we have an 03 to 05 Dodge 3/4 and 1 ton front drive shaft. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to measure from flange to flange. Now before you start, you want to have your flanges as straight as possible, and then you're going to measure from the extreme outside of the flange to the outside of the flange. It's just that simple. So the next type of measurement we're going to be doing is from center to center, or from the furthest center of the U-joint cap to the furthest center of the U-joint cap. So you take your tape measure right in the center of the cap, run it down to the furthest one, that's the measurement you want to record. The next measurement is typically the easiest, and it's also used in more applications like rear drive lines. You're going to go from weld to weld, which is literally just from the weld of the tubing to the weld of the tubing. So from the center of those welds, that's the measurement that you're going to record. Now in some cases, the 4th measurement is necessary because there's a U-joint on one end and a flange on another. And so you go from the center of the U-joint cap to the farthest most point of the flange, and that's a center to flange measurement. And for more information, please visit our website at usastandardgear.com.